Hello, hi, hope you all are doing very good. Today we are going to discuss about the sound. It's a very interesting chapter in class 9. So, what is sound? It is an oscillation that is done through a matter. It's a transfer of energy and it takes a form of mechanical wave of a pressure and displacement. So generally it moves outwards from the point of origin and also can interact with other sounds. Here in the image you can see that. So now what is wave? So waves they move over long distances. The movement of the material is passed through it is limited. So what we see when we see a wave is the energy that is moving through a matter. Okay. So let's see what are the types of waves now. So as discussed, there are two types of wave generally, that are longitudinal waves and other one is transverse waves. We are also having the surface waves. So longitudinal means they are along the direction of the motion and transverse means at a right angle to the direction of the motions. So see the figures, we can see the topper one are the transverse waves and the down one are the longitudinal waves. We can see them clearly. So let's see what do you mean by a mechanical waves. So these mechanical waves are also called as pressure or compression waves. So here the energy propagates in the same direction as the wave it is. So we can say that V is equals to F into lambda, that is equals to lambda by time. So lambda means distance by time. So these are the wavelengths, whatever their crest, trough, it's clearly given in the picture. Now we'll move on with the characteristics. So the sound has a different characteristics, that is amplitude, sound pressure, wave number, angular frequency. Amplitude is nothing but the tall of the wave which is up from the point of equilibrium. Sound pressure is nothing but the sound power. Wave number is highest, this number is higher, this pitch will be, and angular frequency is W. Okay, so we see what are the characteristics of a sound. So pitch, how high or low is, duration, how long or short is, loudness, how loud or soft is. Okay, there are timbres, sonic textures and spatial locations. So these are nothing but spatial location means the distance and the location of the sound source. Sonic texture, the number of sound sources and the interaction between them. So these are the characteristics of a sound. So we see the interference patterns here. So when the waves are overlapping, they add and subtract. See in the figures you can clearly see that here the waves are overlapping. Okay, in the first figure you can see the both color waves are overlapping on each other. These are the interference patterns. So these are the standing waves. So the phenomenon that is caused by wave when being reflected back and forth inside a medium at a specific frequency, okay, that is traveled in an opposite direction. So these are called as standing waves. So the summary is waves are cyclic. Waves can be described by any few simple values, mostly A, F, lambda, mu, and standing waves form from interference and etc. Thank you.